It's because of you that this once-in-a-generation investment, funded by President Biden's American Rescue Plan, has gotten off to such a strong start. The Good Jobs Challenge is reaching those that need help the most and setting Americans all across the country on a new path to prosperity. Like the mother in Florida experiencing homelessness, who successfully completed her training program thanks to valuable housing and transportation support. Like the new patient care technician in Alabama, whose 6 daughters were on hand to see him earn his credential. Or the 2 formerly incarcerated men in Maryland, who are now part of the growing wind energy sector. Our program is working because of the strong partnerships between training providers and employers, which ensures trainees can get good jobs and employers get the talent they need to be competitive in today's economy. We're also seeing our focus on equity pay off. Participants are more racially diverse than the workforce average, and we're placing minorities in industries where they have been historically underrepresented. My ask is that you focus on 3 things. First, let's find more ways to knock down barriers that stand between folks looking for a job and a good job. Second, talk about how to keep those who've completed training engaged with you and their peers through their placement and beyond. And third, start thinking about how to craft great stories that will bring in more funding so we can sustain these efforts for years to come. I'm so grateful that you all share my passion for this incredibly important mission. Let's continue to work together to achieve the ultimate goal of this program, which is to get Americans placed into good jobs that they deserve so they and their families and their communities can thrive. Thank you.